Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Chevy Impala. Stock number is 18G582A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.